Buju, wago shindigu minawa migizi indodem, gazaga squajime kagindu njiba. Today I'd like to share a little bit about the origin of the Kingfisher Clan. Ogiishkimanisii is one of the important clans for the Ojibwe people, especially numerous at Red Lake, Roseau River, and Turtle Mountain. And the story behind the origin of this clan is that sometime shortly after the Ojibwe had gained dominion of the Red Lake area, the Dakota would come periodically to wage war and make attacks on the Ojibwe settlements there. And at one point, there was an attack at Panema, and the Panema warriors rallied and chased the Dakota away. And the Dakota had, amongst their number in their war party, a young teenage boy, probably 14 years of age or so. And as the Ojibwe chased the Dakota out, they caught this boy, and one of the Ojibwe warriors made ready to kill him, but another one stopped him and said, "No, that's my son." In essence, he took the Dakota boy as a war captive, but claimed him as his own child and raised him as an Ojibwe person. The boy grew up. He was given the Ojibwe name Wabi-Benes, White Thunderbird, and lived a long life. He got married. He had children, and he was still young enough where he could be assimilated into the Ojibwe culture, but he was old enough to remember his original Dakota clan, which was the Kingfisher. And even though this clan was unknown in Ojibwe communities at the time, his adoption, in essence, created the Kingfisher as one of the Ojibwe clans. And today it's quite numerous in places like Red Lake. Most of the greenleaf and white feather families come from the Kingfisher clan. Miigwech. Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, free Ojibwe language resources, resources for teachers, and more. Miigwech.